Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do a rapid analysis of Fetch AI project, and we look at both the USDT and BTC charts. So let's begin. And I just want to give one disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, neither I am a professional technical analyst. I'm just sharing my views here. So please do your own research and then take any investment decision that you want to. Do not take your investment decision based on my analysis or whatever I say. I'm just sharing my views and helping you in any way I can. And please take out 2 seconds and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. So friends, we are looking at Fetch, and first let us look at the market cap of Fetch. As of today, when I'm recording, the Fetch market cap is at around $482 million. So Fetch is at around $482 million and its current price is around 64 cents. And now let's go to the USDT chart. If you see the USDT chart, and so this is a zoomed out chart of Fetch, and let us go to the current price action. And if we look at this, then we can see that it's certainly bottomed over here, and now it's again rallying up. This entire downtrending correction is over, in my opinion. It's bottomed here, and now it's going again to retest its all-time high and eventually to create a new all-time high. So this is very clear. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 daily candles. So I guess that will be a weekly green candle. It's still in making. This must be today's daily candle. So 6 daily candles and today is still on. And if we look at the 4-hour, yes. So on a 4-hour, we can clearly see that this downtrend is broken. It was broken. It also retested over here, and now it's on an uptrend. So this was retest confirmation, and now it's moving upwards. So this is a clear uptrend again. And from here, I think Fetch has a potential of at least 2x to 3x over here. If we look at the long term, I can see it breaking this triangle. And I can see it going at least till 1.2. And so this is, in fact, it's right now facing this small resistance here. The next resistance would be somewhere here. So these are the reasons where it can be choppy. But once it goes on for the next impulse wave, after a strong consolidation anywhere over here, then it can easily go for a new all-time high. And eventually, I think even 1.7 or 8, yes. I can see it going till at least here. Of course, not immediately, but eventually I can see it going till here at least once it breaks its all-time high. This is what I can clearly see. I'll also share short-term targets for Fetch on my Telegram channel. So those who have not subscribed to my Telegram channel, you will find the link in the description. Please subscribe. It's a free channel where I will share targets for Fetch. So this is a clear breakout, and The only thing we need to see is how stronger it moves towards all-time high. And once it breaks, it can go parabolic. So if you look at Fed BTC, let us look at Fed BTC. And in Fed BTC, we can clearly see it's literally been in bear market against Bitcoin. Since almost 2 years now. So it's been consolidating for almost 2 years in this area, wherein currently in Bitcoin price, it is trying to break its all-time high, recent all-time, and not of course the overall high, but the recent high. This was the last peak of August 20, and it again retested it in March 21, and it is again come down, but it's created a higher low. So this is bullish. We can say that this was a downtrend which it broke over here. So you can clearly see this. So this was the downtrend that it broke, and then it started the uptrend. It created a high, another higher high, another higher high, and this low is, it's holding this low. It went below this low. This was the higher low which it broke, and then it came down, but it's still on a longer time frame. It's holding the trend, uptrend well, and it's again going to retest its recent all-time high. So this, once broken, it can easily go for 1 minute. This next resistance on BTC chart is over here. So once broken its recent high, it can easily go for these two areas. So this is an interesting chart. This is a chart where I think you should, these are the charts that are potential entries in this market, as it is not yet pumped against BTC and it's slowly gaining momentum. It's going for higher highs. So if we look at the opportunity in terms of BTC chart, then we can clearly see from here, after breaking its first high, this is almost 175%. This is 269%, and ultimately 308%. So even if it does not go for its all-time high against BTC of March 2019, this was the all-time high. Even if it does not go for that, even if it goes for its smaller peaks, still it has between 180 to 300% in BTC growth. So this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity where I think you should look for. Again, this is not a financial advice. I am not responsible for your profit or loss. Please do your research. So this is a clear opportunity in my opinion. If we also, let us add moving averages. I'm adding 10, 50 and 100 moving average. If we add the moving averages, let me just get rid of this. If we add the moving averages on daily, look at this. Here, the 50 MA flipped the 100 MA, and now the 10 MA is trying to flip the 50 MA. Once it flips this 50 MA, then it will go for a new impulse wave. So this is a good time to get in FET if you are looking for an entry. Even if you look at the 4 hour, see on 4 hour we can clearly see that the 10 MA has flipped both 50 and 100 MA, and this is a good consolidation. This is a bullish sign. So let's look at even the USDT chart. If we look at the USDT chart, and I'm adding the moving averages, let me delete this. Look at this. If you look at the daily, or sorry, this is the 4 hour chart. We can see that it's holding the 10 MA so well since its bottom, and here the 50 MA is flipping the 100 MA on 4 hour, and on daily this is clearly bullish. It's now having even 10 MA as support. So this is a good looking chart, and I'm expecting Fetch to move again for a new all-time high very soon. So that's it, guys. I hope this was short, crisp, and to the point. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to share all the Fetch targets up till $1.7, whatever I see, on our free Telegram channel. So do subscribe to the Telegram channel, and see you for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.